Yo, what's up? Good afternoon to you guys. I'm Chris from Parking Girinview, General Trias, Cavite. So, dito ako ngayon sa SISH, so South Ingos Specialist Hospital, wherein na-confine kasi yung misis ko na natin. Nakaupo ngayon, chill lang siya. Kasi hindi siya makahinga ng maayos. So, you know, astig yung experience ko dito sa hospital na to, wherein customer service is good, accommodation is good, the room is good, the room is clean, you know, everything is good, you know. Experience ko ito is from 1 to 10, I can say it's 9.5, something like that, but, you know, stick talaga siya. Sana mabisita nyo.